Here we are at the downtown Christian Street Garage in downtown Lancaster, Pennsylvania. We have some Kones here.
Eighth floor. Going down.
We have some Kones here. And this one has a rear door. These were installed in 2022. Brand new. Holy sh**.
First floor. Going up.
You know what? We'll go to 7 and switch. KSS 140 fixtures. Got a cab view going up. Pretty nice cab for a parking garage. On your operation, here's your buttons. I don't think I want to take the next car because I hear all that rattling noise.
Seventh floor. Going down.
Okay. I'll wait for this car. See how this one runs. Sounds like we might be getting this one. You can actually get a view of downtown Lancaster over here. It's pretty nice. And I don't think that this one's in service. I don't think it's working. Ah. I don't know about this one. Let's just see what it does. Motion indicator. This one doesn't have a voice. That's surprising. Door close button actually works, but door is slow. Launch indicator. Now it's entering an express zone because there's no floor 2, only 1R. Okay, let's go up to, you know what? Go up to, the button's already loose. Go to 8 and end it off. Same as the other cab, pretty nice. I think these go about 200 feet per minute. Surprising that this one doesn't have a voice. And that will be it.